Good evening, everyone. Heather here, and this is your watch list for Wednesday. Okay, someone better have said it. Woo woo! It is Hump Day Wednesday tomorrow, February 10th, and this is your watch list. Okay, let's take a look here. This is the futures, and once again, we are taking another leg higher, put in a new high in the futures. We're up about 90 points in the Dow right now. And green across the board. Yesterday, coming into the session this morning, we were a bit more flat. But look at this nice candle here that we put in today. Close, top side, and now we are continuing on here. Now there's a lot of night left, and anything can happen overnight, and we'll see what happens going into tomorrow. But as of right now, looking green again. Remember, as we get closer to the weekend, I would expect that we might get some profit taking. That would be totally expected and normal here, so don't freak out about any of that. Okay, but now let's hop into a few charts that I am watching for tomorrow. Let's start off with getting a little hungry here. MCD, I had a few people in the chat room here watching this, and love this candle here. We have come up across some really nice moving averages. If the 100-day moving average was on here, you would see that we had just touched it today. You can draw in some trend lines here and say, all right, look at that. We have definitely changed our pattern overall. And I like in particular that this candle, see how it's coming up across some really nice resistance. So looking for a move now above today's close is what I will be watching. Want to make sure we get some nice energy in there. We're done with earnings, so that is awesome. Watching the 4/16, so April 16th, MCD 220 calls above 216. Now, if you say to me tomorrow, well, everything's kind of gapping up, well, how do I play that? We're well above 216. Well, take it off of an opening range break. Pick a time frame, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. I don't care what it is, but stick to a rule there. Take it on an opening range break. Make sure that it's moving the way you want and set in a nice little area. Say, hey, I'm going to, if it closes below the opening, then maybe step aside and let it set up a little bit better. But this is a good looking chart here. I like the way that this is moving along. All right, next here, we're going to move on over to Sunpower. Ooh. So we looked at this one actually last night, didn't set it up, but look at that move today. We have a confirmed 3/8 cross. We're nicely above the 20. We actually closed just at this little bit of resistance from this previous candle here. But like the way this is moving on. Now, keep an eye on the fact that this has earnings in just a week, less than a week here. So it would be a shorter trade watching the 319 Sunpower 50 calls above 49.30, and that is the close of today. Want to make sure that we hit that. Nice room all the way up here to about 54. There is very good room there. So that's why I like Sunpower. JMIA, another one here. Look at this. We've put in some consolidation here, just kind of going back and forth, accumulating a bit. Very nice. Come back and we touch the 8. Nope, we want to move. Touch. Nope. No, we still don't like it. We're making that move along. So anything over 66 is what I like here. Now, again, these have earnings in a couple weeks, so it's not going to be a super long hold. But I'm still going with that March 19th JMIA 70 call above 66. All right, those are the ones I'm watching for tomorrow. I hope you have a fantastic day. Come join us in the chat room for a Hump Day Wednesday. See you soon.